Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hello, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. Okay, so we will start with the S30. Okay, we're still going in a very bullish way, very big bullish trend. Okay, here it retraced, it broke new highs. That's new highs, guys. Okay, so today this close is good, but I want to look for two options. Okay, like I need a retracement. I need like a retracement before breaking this, taking this sell to continue with the sell, because that's a like strong area. Okay, so from this area we might continue the bullish way. You are in a bullish trend. Okay, so that's why be careful from this. I'm gonna wait for the orders, the US30. I'm not gonna put sell or buy for now. Okay, I'm gonna wait to see the market reaction, because I don't want it to open one candle and go down. It's gonna be risky. So I need a retracement. Okay, and then like pushing, breaking down, I can take it. Okay, so I will wait for now for the orders, but mainly if that's the low, I will be waiting for this until I see like if I saw like candles over here, we might take it from like here, creating a lower high, like creating a lower high and then pushing down. We will see how it's gonna be reacting the market. And when it reverse, like retracing, we will see if it's gonna be a retracement or a continuation. That's why we wait. Okay. So I will wait for now for the Dow to see the reaction, because if you can see, look, it hit this area and then like retraced, ريح market. It retraced a bit. So let's wait to see what's gonna happen. Can we go for gold? As you can see, the gold still today it was like low volume for the gold, even for all the pairs, and it do like one fast like big volume on the 1 hour and then like relax the market. Okay, so the gold now it's still in this like look at this area, by the way, before, and then broke it with like an up and then pushed down all the way. Look at this big push, and then now consolidating at the same area. So let's see how what is gonna be. Okay, those trades are for the daily trades. So let's wait. That's the daily. Okay, breaking those ones, those lows again, pushing for a new lower low. If you can see, that's a high, lower high, low, lower low. Going in like flag. Okay, like a channel, like flag. You can say anything. Don't forget that's bullish. That's on a daily low, higher lows, still creating higher lows. So let's see that here it's how it's gonna be, how it's gonna be breaking to push for a new lower low, so we can benefit from this trade, and then we see the reaction on those areas. Okay, that's because in a bullish trend to take it as in like this area. Okay, this clean traffic. Okay, let's go for the 4 hour. Okay, for the 4 hour, breaking this, the last highs, those the last highs. Okay, that's a liquidity high. You can see it hit it, pushed all the way down. Okay, look at this level, all over here. Let me remove this. That's annoying. Okay, that's a strong area over here. Oh, that's a very strong one. It hit it 2 times and pushed down. So I need to see how it's gonna be breaking. Okay, this area. Retesting always don't take it as an impulse. If it's like swing trade, it's not gonna be an impulse entry. I need to wait retracement. You always wait for a retracement to confirm if it's gonna be a buy or it's gonna be a sell, how the trend is moving. Okay, so that's how you catch like the real move. If it was breaking this area, like after retesting this high and creating a lower high, can you hear those the foxes?
What?
مش فيس لانه الواوية تحت بيتي كتير صوتهم قوي
اه
ففكرت انه
ليك
كتير
شو حلو،
مسموع. ده
ذكرتنا
بكتير.
بالجبل.
Yes. So that's the cell what I'm gonna take. Okay, and that's the buy, but not like one way. Okay, because one way it's gonna be one way ticket, and it's gonna hit your stop loss and then be consolidating. So wait for a good sell, like closing over here, like retracing and then pushing down. Or if it passed the entry, it's okay. Wait to see a retracement because after like a down move, there is a retracement. Okay, so wait for this retracement, and then when you see it reversing, you can take your trade. Okay, your stop loss is gonna be over like the retracement. Okay, so that's it for the gold. We go for GJ. GJ been moving like good bullish. That's a great bullish move, honestly. You see from this area, that's a really great area. That area we talked about before. Look one again, two. Look all spook. Let me see how much. If you took it from this, that's like 800. Like that's a big move. Okay, for now, look at this. Look at those daily guys. Look at those 4 hours. That's a very low volume. Okay, when there is not big volume, I wait for a good confirmation to take my trade. Okay, I don't take it as an impulse like like I need good confirmation, good volume to see how if it's gonna be like this, it's gonna hit the stop loss. So always wait good confirmation, good retest, like with the retracement, like forming lower highs, lower lows, and started to reverse the trend. Okay, so GJ, I'm gonna wait. If it's gonna break this area, it's gonna continue the like new highs for new highs. Okay, and breaking this, the last lows it created, the last higher lows, retesting on this area and pushing down, I will take my trade. Okay, always wait a retest. Like don't take it one way because one way it's gonna retrace at the end. If there was like big volume, like big news or something, it goes like fast. It hit TPs. Okay, so that's it. That's look on the daily still. Look at those candles. So let's wait and see how it's gonna be moving. Okay, the euro. Let's look at this. You remember this trend line? How it broke this trend line? I told you I'm not gonna put any sell because we was like I think over here, something like over here. Yes. Look at this retest. Your sell entry is super clear over here. Super clear, guys. Look, your entry under this candle, okay, like it retraced on this strong area, okay. Look at this. It opened. That was the liquidity. It opened. It broke the last high. That's why you give here. That's a strong area. You don't take it. Some people take it like "Oof, it broke like fast impulse. That's no. That's not right. Okay, you saw the candle opened, like made the liquidity with a big wick and then rejecting. Okay, then you take it breaking. If you didn't catch it from here, you catch it from this area. Okay, you put your stop loss over the candle and your TP. The first TP, look at this area. Okay, that's you take it. That's the first TP you take it, and then you continue to the strong areas. Okay, that's like well, over here. Over here, that's a strong area. It might hit it and push up, and it's gonna retrace from it. Okay, you can leave it as swing because you have it from the top. because when you enter like a trade like this and you put your stop loss entry, now you're safe, okay? You leave it. You will see tomorrow if you saw the candle, it's making a retracement. Then you see how you manage, because for sure you're gonna be like you closed half. Okay, you can put stop loss entry or give it a bit, like from half of the profit you did. Okay, and like leave it as a swing. Okay, so the sell I'm gonna wait to how the candle gonna be, because we might have if tomorrow we have news, good news. So let's see how it's gonna be, how it's gonna like be moving the market. If it retraced and then pushing down, yes, it's a good sell entry. Okay, and the buy, it's far, but I'm not gonna take any buy over here, and there's nothing that shows me that I can take a buy over here unless I see like a push down to this area. Yeah, that's a strong area. I might have a retracement from this area. Okay, so that's it. Lama, you do GJ, GU.
Yes, of course. Okay, hello everyone. So mainly the GU was stagnating for a long time now. If you can see, we are still in the zone. It has been like 2 weeks or even more after the holidays. We are stagnating here. Okay, so we have here a strong key level or support. And here also we have a strong key level, which is the resistance. That's why like we cannot break, يعني, the GU is waiting to either break the support or the resistance. And from there, we can take the order. I prefer not to trade in this zone. We can trade on a lower time frame. Like today, they traded on the 1 hour, for example, but I didn't go into this trade because the volume was very low. Here, Wilson sent a study on Discord, and if we can see, I will explain it. So here mainly, it was a reversal, because here we have the reversal candle, if you can see it here. So breaking this zone, this key level or support, the red line, will be my sell opportunity. Okay, so that's what happened, and it went down. Okay, so let's see around how many pips. This is scalping on the currencies, around 27 pips, which is a great scalp on the currency, the GBP USD. We have also a video explaining how you can scalp on the currencies in the website. But mainly, when I see a volume without like high impact news, or even like the market is moving, okay, so I become skeptic to enter a trade. But it doesn't mean that everyone should be the same, you know. You will discover yourself as a trader during the process. So tomorrow we are expecting on the GBP to have a high impact news. You can also read the news by clicking here. That's why it is very important to keep your Forex factory on your laptop to follow up well and understand the news. If we see here, we can read about the news, understand like this is the actual, let's say, price that was in December, the forecast, which means the expected price that will happen. The previous was that much. So you will read if the actual, when the actual, let's say, is greater than the forecast, if it is something good or bad for the currency. This is how you even if you don't know what is the PMI, it's not the purpose to understand and like, do a big research about the PMI. What I care is the result of this news. And you can read like, you can have like an insight about the news. It doesn't have to be like a research about it. So that's what I'm trying to say. So tomorrow, the news mainly will affect my volume, because we are still stagnating and I am not able to even look here. We were saying that also this is a resistance line, like a key level, which means like this is also like here it is a support, and it's not moving. It's stagnating. Even here, it didn't break that much to go up. Yani let's say from here, because I didn't like draw it. It went up a little bit and that's it. Okay. Even today, it went down. So, when you see like these candles, it shows uncertainty in the market. So that's why I prefer to stay away. But we can scalp on lower time frames if, of course, the volume is helping me with this. So for me, for the GU, I'm still with the same sell and the same buy from 2 weeks till now. I can show you something. We are in an uptrend. If we see here, we are still going up. That was like in November when it started reversing and going up because we were in a downtrend, because we see here lower lows happening every time. Now we are low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So this is a trend. This is how you draw and you see a trend. Okay, so you see a direction in the market. It is going up. Okay, and we had a reversal here. Also, we had the support. Breaking the support means that it will go down, but because it reached the support and reversed up, so here it reversed and we had a change in the direction. Okay, I keep always my studies from previous months to like follow up with everything that is happening and keep like seeing the studies, So we are in an uptrend until now. Look here, even it reached here and continued like it stopped. And I will show you also on the monthly, because on the monthly I can see an Elliott wave forming. But of course, yani, it will take maybe years in 2025 to happen. But now I drew it and I will see what will happen. Mainly we are respecting, and no way, we are respecting here the retracement. Of course, I use Fibonacci here in this case, Fibonacci retracement, to understand how this wave is formed. Of course, the first wave, it will happen. Okay, for the second wave, it will be the retracement from here until here. So the retracement is exactly 0.5, which is 50% retracement down from the uptrend. Okay, so this is how Fibonacci works. If you want to understand more the Elliott waves and the Fibonacci extension and retracement, because we have also Fibonacci extension. Let's say here, this extension, how I drew it, I use the Fibonacci extension. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci extension. So what I want to measure, the extension of this wave from the low to the high, I click only, and here I hover over, like I do it like this. Okay, so it will show me, because always the extension in the third wave should be like 1 and more. Always. The third wave should be the longest between all the waves. You can always check the videos of Miguel and also on the website to understand more the Elliott waves. You can go to the 15th of November on YouTube, Financial Eagles, watch this episode, take notes and keep them next to you until you become like you understand more the Elliott waves and Fibonacci and become expert with these tools. Okay, so this is the extension that I drew using the Fibonacci extension and so on. Also, this is a retracement, so I have to use the Fibonacci retracement and then here the extension and so on. Okay, so mainly this is it for the GU. Miguel, do you like to add anything?
No, still هلا the same يعني consolidating like
Exactly. We are
sideways.
still consolidating for 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks now.
Yes,
I did 1 or 2 trades
yes, that's
maximum.
you take it as scalp like fast trade, but still
Yes.
going for the swing. Good.
I follow more the swing now lately, more than the scalp.
Yes.
Okay. So this is it for the market updates. Now I will leave the floor for the Q&A.